Welcome guys our target of history channel. In this video we will cover 20 MCQ related for satellite communication. This is the second video of advanced communication. First video is already uploaded related for OFC fiber optic communication. Okay. First question. A satellite is kept in orbit by a balance between two forces. Option A, gravitational and centripetal force. Option B, gravitational and electric force. Option C, electric and magnetic force. Option D, none of these. Okay, the correct option is A, gravitational and centripetal force to balance the satellite. Go to the next question. The most popular satellite frequency range is 4 to 6 gigahertz and is called the dash dash band. Option A, C, option B, D, option C, E, and option D, F. The most popular satellite frequency range is 4 to 6 gigahertz in C band. Okay, here to in this chart to frequency band and frequency range. The frequency range 4 to 8 gigahertz is included in C band. The correct option is A. C band is the correct option. Next question. The signal path from the satellite to a ground station is called the. Option A, downlink. Option B, uplink. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The signal path from satellite to ground is called the downlink. To satellite to ground station, the transmit the data is called downlink frequency or downlink communication, or ground station to satellite is uplink. Next question. A satellite that revolves in same direction as Earth rotate is said to be in the orbit dash dash. Option A, posigrade orbit. Option B, retrograde orbit. Option C, elliptical orbit, and option D, polar orbit. The correct option is A, posigrade orbit. Go to the next question. Typical downlink frequency is option A, 14 gigahertz. Option B, 6 gigahertz. Option C, 4 gigahertz, and option D, none of these. The correct option is C. The typical downlink frequency in satellite is 4 gigahertz. There are two frequencies of satellite communication: uplink frequency and downlink frequency. Uplink frequency is always greater than to the downlink frequency. Uplink frequency is 6 gigahertz and downlink frequency is 4 gigahertz. The correct option is C. Next question. The height of geostationary satellite is about dash dash kilometer. To earth station to satellite to height of geostationary orbit is 35,786 is the correct option. A is the correct option. Next question. In C band, the uplink and downlink frequencies are dash dash. Here in C band, the C band frequency range 4 to 8 gigahertz. The uplink frequency is 6 gigahertz and in downlink frequency is 4 gigahertz. The correct option is A. A is the correct option, 6 gigahertz and 4 gigahertz. Next question. The main function of communication satellite is a option A, repeater. Option B, reflector. Option C, recorder, and option D, receiver. The correct option is A, repeater. To transmit the data ground station to satellite and satellite to the back ground station of another stations of ground station, earth station. The correct option is repeater. Okay, the correct option A is correct. Next question. The most communication satellites operate in dash dash bands. Option A, option A, L band. Option B, C and Q A band. Option C, X band. Option D, S and P band. Okay, the most satellite operate in C and Q band. Okay, different band to are used in satellite communication. L band for use to GPS, global positioning system, related for mobiles and another applications. To the frequency range of C band is 4 to 8 gigahertz. The correct option B is C and Q band operate in most satellite operating C and Q bands. Next question. The satellite whose time period is 24 hours is known as option A, geostationary satellite. Option B, geosynchronous satellite. option C both A and B, option D none. The correct option is B, geosynchronous satellite. Geosynchronous satellite is placed in the geosynchronous orbit within orbital period matching the Earth's rotation period. This satellite takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around the Earth. The correct option B is correct. Next question. Most satellites operate in dash dash frequency range. Okay, the satellite communication frequency range is 3 GHz to 30 GHz. The correct option C is correct option. The another option is megahertz, and option D is above 300 GHz. This is not correct. The correct option is C, 3 GHz to the 30 GHz. All bands are presented in this frequency range. Next question. A circular orbit around the equator with 24 hours period is called dash dash orbit. Option A elliptical, option B geostationary, option C polar, option D transfer. The correct option is B, geostationary orbit. Next question. The maximum height of an elliptical orbit is called the option A perigee, option B apex, option C zenith, option D apogee. The correct option is D. This is the orbit of satellite Earth station. The height of Earth station to orbit is the highest height is called the apogee, and lowest height is called perigee. Okay, the correct option is D. Next question. Which of the following are common baseband signal transmitted from the Earth ground station? Option A navigation data, computer data, video. Option B computer data, navigation data, voice. Option C voice, video, computer data, and option D computer data. The all data here to the most correct option is C, voice, video, and computer data to transmit common baseband signals. Okay, the correct option is C. Correct option is C. Next question. The physical location of a satellite is determined by is dash dash. The physical location of a satellite is determined by is a dash dash. Option A distance from the Earth. Option B latitude and longitude. Option C reference to the stars. Option D position relative to the sun. The correct option is A, distance from the Earth. Go to the next question. As the height of a satellite orbit gets lower, the speed of the satellite is dash dash. Okay, the height of the satellite orbit gets the lower, the speed of the satellite is dash dash. Option A increase, option B decrease, option C remains same, option D none of these. Come on. The correct option is A. Orbital speed is the speed needed to achieve the balance between gravity's pull on the satellite and the inertia of the satellite's motion. This is the reason to increase the speed of orbit, the height of the orbit onto rotation is lower. The correct option is A. Next question. Military satellites operate in dash dash band. Option A X, option B C, option C QU, option D P. The military satellite operates in X band. X band communication frequency are used in military satellite communication. The correct option is A. Next question. The signal to be communication by the Earth station to the satellite are known as the dash dash signal. Option A transmitter, option B receiver, option C baseband, and option D all of the above. The signal to be communication by the Earth station to the satellite is known as the transmitter. To transmit the data Earth station to the satellite is called as the transmitter, and to satellite to the ground station Earth station is called a receiver. Here to the us the signal to be communication by the Earth station to the satellite. Earth station to satellite is a uplink frequency is a higher always. The correct option is transmitter. The option is correct. Next question. Satellites are located by Earth coordinates expressed in the terms of dash dash. Option A latitude, option B longitude, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. The correct option is C. Satellites are located by Earth coordinate expressed in the terms of latitude and longitude. Okay, what is the latitude and longitude? Latitude and longitude are a system of lines used to describe the location of any place on earth. Lines of latitude run in the east-west direction across the earth, and line of longitude runs north-south direction, shown in the figure. Okay, this is the earth and two latitude and longitude lines. Last question. The main power supplies in a satellite are the dash dash. Here to ask main power supplies. The main power supplies are used in satellite communication to the satellite solar panels. The correct option is B. But here to the option C, both A and B are to correct. But here to ask the main power supplies, the DC batteries to are used to store the solar energy in DC batteries to are used when the shadow effect of the moon is shadow affected to the satellite to are used as DC batteries. The correct option is B. Okay. Please like and subscribe and press bell icon for upcoming new videos.